365 days out of the year, I would tell you to buy a BMW over a Benz. But if there was one Benz that I'd tell you to buy, it would be this right here, the SLS AMG. In 1957 is when these originally became famous and were selling for $1 million. But you know what? The production was stopped and they resumed back in 2011. And this is one of the units from the 3,000 that were made in total. This car became famous for a lot of reasons. One being just the shape and look of this car. It looks like an absolute bullet. We got a Mercedes-Benz logo over here and we got an even bigger one over here. The engine bay size is absolutely crazy. Look at how big it is. And I'll show you guys the engine later. And over here, we got the clean AMG rims. To be honest, you cannot go with this clean look at all. And then of course, we got the shark vents over here. A big one on the side as well with the big 6.3 for the 6.3 liter engine. The best part of the car, my favorite part of the car. You know what, if you're an old guy, it's kind of hard to, bend over, but check this out. Oh man, absolutely amazing. And you know what? I know you guys are looking at the interior, but we'll save the best for last, okay? These are called the gull-wing doors, very famous on the SLS AMG. And then let's go towards the back. I know there's not a lot to show for in the back because the back is legit this big. But of course we got the SLS because everybody's gonna know when you're driving this is the SLS and the AMG. And then I absolutely love this, the carbon fiber they got over here. But of course, one thing I hate about this, these are some fake ass exhaust tips. The real one is down there, of course, as you guys can see. But it is what it is. At the end of the day, it's a SLS. I absolutely love the way the gas tank looks. That's how you open it. And you're not filling no 87 or 89. It's a solid 91. You gotta fill in this big boy. First, you have to bend over to open the door. And then when you're trying to get in, you have to watch, especially if you're a tall guy, or you're definitely hitting your head on that door. So I don't know, convenience, maybe not, but speed and looks, okay, that's exactly what you're paying for. So let's see, what do we have here in the middle? First of all, the interior. An amazing brown look. I feel like it goes amazing with the silver look of the car. And then in the middle, we got fully carbon fiber. We got the start button, we got the sports mode, a very old display and radio system. I mean, it makes sense, it's a 2011, but I don't know if anybody would be using this these days. We got the regular Benz AMG steering wheel, nothing too crazy. Very, very basic. Of course, at the end of the day, it's a 2011. But to be honest, I don't even know if there's a trunk in this car. You know what, let's actually go check it out. Okay, so the trunk from the outside looks pretty small. I feel like you could most probably just fit one duffel bag in here, but let's see. Okay, you know what? Maybe you could actually fit one person in here. Maybe not the smallest, it looks small, but I'm pretty sure it'll do the job, for the car it is. I think most of the space the engine takes at the front. But you know what, let's go check that out now. And now, the real deal. Let's see what this is really hiding underneath. Oh my God, it's heavy as hell. And check out this crazy feature. You can push it all the way up, like 90 degrees. This right here is the naturally aspirated 6.3 liter V8 engine. I'm telling you, it sounds crazy and it spits out some crazy power. Carbon fiber even in the engine, of course, to save some weight. The person who originally assembled this whole engine, his signature is right here. You got two big cold air intakes, and I know you guys can't see it, but there's a huge ass fan over here to keep the engine bay nice and cold. You guys already know what's my favorite part of the video. This right here. But you know what's something crazy about these SLS cars? All of them vary in horsepower. Some might have a little bit less, some might have a little bit more. All of them are different, none of them are the same. You guys gonna give me 2 minutes because I'm gonna struggle closing. Okay, there you go. Good. It was a problem, but you know what? These type of problems, maybe you can enjoy in life. if you want to spend some money and have these type of problems in your life too, you know what you gotta do? Contact Fazzy from Elite Fine Cars and just let us know that you're interested in this car. And you know what? This is just one of many that we have. We have a lot more to show you guys. But you know what I need? I want you guys to comment down below and actually tell us what you want to see. And you know what? Next time I come, I'll choose one of your guys' comment and we'll actually do that car. And even if you don't have it in our dealership at the moment, we'll bring it in just for you. I'm Fazzy from Elite Fine Cars. It was nice doing this review on this SLS AMG. And you know what? I want you guys to like and subscribe because next week we're dropping another video. So I'll see you guys then.